Hey guys, it's your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. If this is your first time, welcome, and if it's not, welcome back. So today we're going to be cleaning out my vanity because it is atrocious and I can't tell you the last time I cleaned it out. So let's just go ahead and get right to it, girl.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing. Like nighttime rumors, we were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Keep on talking to me, don't you leave me by myself. There's something in the way you're moving, you can make me lose my breath. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. It's you and midnight. Let's leave now and get undressed, undressed. When you look in my eyes and holding me close, I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down. Talking to me,
Alright guys, so this is my NYX professional makeup. I use this when I try to do a white eyeliner, so I'm gonna keep that. This is a makeup brush. It's filthy, I'm just gonna throw that away. This is another makeup brush. I'm not even gonna clean it, I'm going to trash it. I just don't have the energy for it. This here is filthy, y'all. This is crazy. See how dirty this thing is? Wow. So this is Makeup Forever Step 1 Equalizer. Y'all, I haven't used this in over a year, so I'm gonna let that go. This is my Milani, hold on. Oh, this thing's dirty. Milani in 4. This is the Glow Bake. I use this one all the time, so I'm gonna keep that. This is the Anastasia Dipbrow powder here. I really don't use this one anymore. It's dried out, so I'm going to actually trash that. This is the NYX Shine. I do use this when I put on foundation, so I'm going to keep that. This is a top to this, but I don't really use this anymore. It's kind of empty. Well, it's about empty. It is the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin. It's in the color Coconut here, so I'm gonna let that go. This is the L'Oreal 24-hour foundation and 212. Uh-oh, I'm bringing y'all up, sorry. 212. Y'all know this stuff be expiring. I use this one when I want like a light foundation, so I'm actually gonna keep this. This is the NYX Studio Base Primer. This one is, I'm sorry. It goes on white. I do use this one too, so I'm going to keep that. This is in the wrong spot. This is my lip liner. It is NK Auto. Oh, y'all know not focus on it. Oh, well, it's not focusing. Liner. So I'm actually going to put this where my liners are over here. This is the Wet n Wild retractable, what is this? Retractable eyeliner. I use this one every day, so I'm definitely going to keep that one. This one right here is also my Maybelline one that I use under my eye. I'm definitely going to keep that. This is the Brow Eyeliner. I'm going to trash this because I haven't used that. This is another Maybelline Expert. Oh, I have 2 of them actually. Here they are, brown. I actually bought these, but I don't use them, so I'm going to trash those. These are my pencil sharpeners. I use these all the time, so I'm going to actually keep that. Just going to clean them off because they're dirty. Sorry y'all for the sniffles. I am suffering from a sinus infection, and I'm kind of getting over it, but kind of not. This is my Maybelline Wet n Wild. This is in color 535D. I don't think it's focusing. Hold on, y'all. Anyway, so I'm going to actually put this, I don't use this one too often. I don't even know the last time I used this. So I'm going to put it with my lipsticks over here. This is my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I love this one, but I think I already have an open one. Yes, I already have an open one. So I'm going to put this in my backup stash with my other concealers. Over there. This right here is my matte poreless foundation. It's the Fit Me 360. I use this one, so I love it. This right here is my MAC Studio in NW48. However, it's like broken, so I use it to fix when I'm doing like my wigs and stuff. This right here is my Marc Jacobs foundation here, and in the Marc Jacobs I am, what color am I? Deep 5-6, but this is extra foundation, so I'm just gonna put it over here with my extra foundation. This right here is gonna be my Maybelline Matte Finish Spray. Use this all the time. This right here, Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder, this one has to be like one of my favorite foundations. Double Wear SPF. What color am I? 6C1 Cocoa. So I use that one too. So most of the stuff in this drawer is stuff that I always use, y'all. So this right here is my LA Girl bronzer. I'm sorry, LA Colors bronzer. This right here is my Bobbi Brown facial base. Y'all, it's amazing how much makeup be on your stuff. But I do use this one too, so I'm not gonna toss it. I usually, actually, every time I wear foundation, I either use this as a base. I haven't actually been using this HD Studio finish actually, so I usually only go to these two as my prime base. So I'm actually gonna throw this one away because I don't need that many. This one is my L'Oreal behind the scenes eye primer here. I think I got this in one of my Etsy things one month. This right here is going to be, this is the Maybelline 05 Coral Cove. Here I use this for like my blush. This is the all-time favorite Maybelline Great Lash. I've used expensive ones, and I'm sorry, but this one right here is top notch. This one here is my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the color 30. So this one is really light. I use this for my under eye concealer, and then I usually tone it down too as well. But oh, I didn't even know I had two of these. What are the odds of that? I have 30 and then I have 35. Yeah, so usually when I'm using this one, I mix it with this here to make it like a neutral color. This is the Color Pop in the color 19L3. It's going to be dark brown. So I usually mix those to make them lighter, but I'm out of, as you can see, this is empty, so might as well let that go. This right here is going to be dirty. Y'all, this stuff is so dirty. This is my Fenty Beauty Concealer. It is in the color, what color is this, y'all? 470. Now this one right here is more like a little darker, so I just, like I said, conceal with, I either conceal with that one or I conceal with this Color Pop Deep 56. So these are the two dark concealers that not concealers, what they call when I'm contouring my face here, y'all. I don't know why my camera's not focusing. It's doing what it want to do today, but whatever. Those two. Oh wow, I have two of these. I didn't even know I had two of these. So apparently I have two of these L'Oreal what are they? L'Oreal behind the scenes eye primer for your eyeshadow. Two of those, didn't even know that. So I'm going to put the extra one over there. I like to use this here when I mix my foundations, because sometimes during the summer or the winter I mix my foundations because I get a little darker in the summertime and a little lighter in the winter. Moving along, this is my favorite liquid eyeliner, y'all. As you can tell, this thing is going through a lot, but it is the Wet n Wild H2O proof. It is so good. I use it for my wing liner. It is very dark, so if you look for a dark eyeliner, definitely recommend that. I have another eyeshadow primer by Milani. Y'all, to be honest, I'm trying to think. I haven't used this one, so I'm actually going to toss this. Let it go. This is another lip pencil that I got from, it's NK lip pencil in the color, I don't know what color this is actually. But yeah, y'all know lip pencils expire. It's only good for 24 months. This little nub is what I usually use for my eyeshadow, my eyebrows. And here's the other one. Look how short that thing is, y'all. Anyway, look how small that is. Yeah, so we're gonna let that go. So these right here, another lip pencils here. Retractable by Jordan. I have it in Tanti and Rock and Rose. My current eyebrow pencil that I'm using is the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit here. There we go. And it is in the color 4 Warm Deep. I actually got this in an Etsy bag, and y'all, I love it. Absolutely love it. This is another e.l.f. concealer, but as you can see, this thing is empty, so definitely gonna just let that go to the trash. This one right here is gonna be my Gerard, or you want to call it Jared Cosmetic. It is in the color Lucy, but I think it's, here it is. It's broken, y'all. I need to just let it go, don't I? It's really pretty. But so, it's broken. I'm gonna let it go. This one right here, I got this one in an Etsy bag too. These Etsy bags do be having some good stuff in there. Etsy bag, it is the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's that. And then I have my NYX Professional Tint Brow Mascara. I love this. It's not mascara. What is it? Tint Brow. Yeah, mascara. So I actually use this on my eyebrows to set my eyebrows when I draw them on so they do not move. Then the makeup palette that I currently am using every day, I'll clean it up for you guys, is the Nubian by Julius Plays. I use this one a lot. So I try to keep all my makeup that I use every day in here, in like my drawer, and then on special occasions I go reach for the other stuff. But yeah, this is this one here. As you can see, I've already starting to hit pan on this one and this one. These two are like my fave colors. This is just a good base here. This is good for the crease of your eye, and then when you want to do like a wine color. So these are the ones I use every single day, so I just keep it here so I don't have to, you know, reach for it all the time. Alright, so of course I gotta keep my lips chapped. It's gonna be my Vaseline. So yeah, we have cleaned out this drawer. So this is what we're looking like. We've definitely cleaned out this drawer a lot. So yeah, this is just what I use probably consistently. I always switch between foundations, so I sometimes mix them and switch them, but these are the main three that I actually use when I wear foundation. So, and I use the rest of this stuff right here, I use every day. Every time I put my eyebrows on and I do my makeup, I always use these. So yeah, we've cleaned out both of these drawers, y'all. So we have organized. Next to tackle on the next video, we're gonna go through all of these cubicles and clean those out. Alright, so if you like this video, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I'm trying to grow this channel and I can't do it without you. So until next time, I'll see you later.